Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share a super simple trick to keep your steel wool pads from rusting away. If you've ever used steel wool for cleaning or woodworking, you know how frustrating it is when they rust overnight. Stick around because I've got the easiest solution for you, plus a few bonus tips. The secret is soap and water. That's right. If you keep your steel wool completely submerged in soapy water, it won't rust. Here's why. Rust forms when iron reacts with oxygen and moisture in the air. But when it's stored underwater, especially water mixed with dish soap, it can't get the oxygen it needs to corrode. Here's what you do. Grab a small jar or container with a lid. Fill it with water and add just a couple drops of dish soap. Drop your steel wool pad inside, making sure it's fully covered. Put the lid on, and you're done. Next time you need it, just pull it out, rinse quickly, and it's ready to go. Here are a few extra tricks. If you don't want to use water, you can also store steel wool in a sealed bag or jar with a little cooking oil or mineral oil. This creates a barrier against air and moisture. Keep the container away from damp areas in your workshop or kitchen. Only cut off and use what you need from a large pad, this way the rest stays fresh longer. And remember, always store steel wool safely away from open flames or sparks because it's highly flammable when dry. Simple as that, no more throwing away rusty pads. If you found this tip helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick fixes and DIY hacks, and let me know in the comments how you store your steel wool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.